Ki MLA ka seng Kongres haka khatsan tarik nailor arjar arhuai amtang bekilami Jyndat Napoh Iing Dorbar thawan jong ka jalla halo ka jing momiok la banyak keren halo ka jing syaset yap jong ba sherish ba komjuru ka jing wen kam shipor ki pulit hanai kila pelong lu ka jing Pyrta Shla Shabar jong Napoh Iing Dorbar hadir bekam shimla yala keren yaga ni kamat Napoh Iing Dorbar hadir ka jing tai ka bakatu ka nepor halo ka short duration discussion balawan rak do ba piti sau kami MLA jang ka maulai na ka leng jong usong konor ba komjuru ka leng sensar kila ong ba amla mi keren yan ka kam nambar ba kalong sub judice nan di kalong persya ya ka yang bishar kamtaki MLA Kongres kala mini Shabar ba kapor beki mi Shabar kala Pyrta Shla mandawa ya ka hak ba komjuru na penram ya ka jeng le jong ka sarkar MDA
Justice! Justice! Down, down! Down, down! Justice! Justice! Down, down! Down, down!
kini ka di ka bau Dr. Mukul Sangma olapan pau habe kan bekla patai kebor Shabar jong ka Iing Dorbar.
Friends, today the opposition had to walk out from the house to demonstrate our anguish and our lack of confidence on the government, the MJ government. You will recall with a sense of pride and satisfaction then that prior to 2008, how the preceding government has put all the committed effort with utmost sense of sincerity, honesty, dedication, with a whole focus on the larger good of the people and for the larger interest of the state, to generate the momentum of development and growth, and to ensure that momentum of development and growth restore peace and try to sustain peace. Today, unfortunately, all those hard work to restore peace and sustain peace, you have seen what is the prevailing situation across the state, whether it is in the state capital, whether it is in the district capital, or whether it is in other parts of the state. The sense of insecurity prevailing, the whole instances of lawlessness, again reappearing in the state, threatening the hard-earned peace, which should have been sustained with a committed effort of the government. The irony is that the government of the state did not have the priority set to address its most important concern, which revolves around the larger interests of the people, larger interests of the state. And today, as the opposition wanted, the response of the government and the correct stand of the government in order to instill confidence and trust among the citizens of the state, we found that the government was completely trying to stonewall such discussion, prevent such discussion in the other house. You will appreciate the fact that in our vibrant democracy, when we are in session, it is the best platform where the elected representatives are able to articulate the concerns of the people, the issues which is confronting our people on a daily basis, the issues which pose challenges towards our collective intent of joining hands in the whole story of progress and growth of the state. But as you saw today, as you witness, that the government is completely insensitive. They are probably not concerned about the need to understand the ground reality. They are completely disconnected from the ground reality as to what is happening on ground zero, and the outcome, the fallout is visible, palpable everywhere. Yesterday you have carried news regarding gunning down of one young boy with sophisticated just in the suburbs of Surat. And just yesterday I was also hearing our concern about the regrouping of various youth and new youth joining some of the new militant outfits, being supported by many of the existing insurgent outfits of the region. What do all these developments that was unfolded in the preceding months, preceding years, indicate? Therefore, friends, today as we wanted the government's attention and to urge upon government to take course correction so that we are able to decide on wherever it was necessary for government to reconsider whatever decision they have taken. We have seen from the day one after the unfortunate incident on the 13th of August and subsequently after 15th of August, how the Chief Minister himself has been adamant on his stand because he is disconnected with the ground realities and because he is disconnected with the kind of usual, the administrative prudence which one has to resort to in addressing this kind of sensitive issues. Now, when we have discussed about this issue yesterday, well, you have heard how the government stand was, but today, the issue which was tabled by the honourable member from Maulai, our colleague, Pyrta Shla Shabar, was there. Based on what is doable as per the administrative prudence to demand and ensure complete independence of the inquiry that has been ordered. Now, how can the government say or be adamant in having this stand that taking action against the alleged senior officers who are involved in the alleged encounter, suspending them to facilitate free and fair inquiry can be part and parcel of the fact which can be interpreted as sub judice in the floor of the House. Therefore, we only could interpret that the government was hell-bent on not responding to the sentiments of the people, to the ground realities, and act upon to ensure the justice that the voice of the people are asking for. So we condemn the attitude of this government, and with this, the opposition decided to walk out.